How to factory reset Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to wipe your PC and start fresh, or reset it while keeping your personal files. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Recovery on the right side of the screen. At this point, click the Reset PC button next to the Reset This PC option. From here, a window will pop up giving you two choices. Keep My Files removes all installed apps and system settings, but leaves your personal documents, photos, and files untouched. Remove Everything does a full wipe of everything on the drive, which is the better option if you're selling or giving away the device. Following this, select whichever option fits your situation and click Next. After that, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Choose Cloud Download to download a fresh copy directly from Microsoft, or Local Reinstall to use the existing files already on your PC. From here, Windows will show you a summary of everything that will happen before anything is deleted. Review it carefully and click Reset to confirm and start the process. Finally, your PC will restart and begin the reset automatically, which can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on your device and the option you chose. Keep in mind that once you confirm the reset, there's no going back, so make sure anything important is backed up before you start. That's how you factory reset Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!